Nice.
It's GoPro time. So we can make bad vlogs.
Alright guys, this is the build of the Freezie Fresh food truck. I'm here with the TunerPunk guys. Tune in, check it out. Freezie Fresh.
Building the fucking sweet food truck. Here it is. Check it out. Never ever once was a FedEx truck in its whole life. So we're gonna sand and paint. That's the plan. That's what we're doing.
See guys, when you're sanding, what you want to do is you want to get rid of these high levels. As you can see here, you have the aluminum, the prime, and the paint. So you take your sander, make sure you have some type of ear protection.
And a respirator.
What you want to do is, you want to go in there, there you go! Right there, as you can see! There you got it! You got it done!
If I wash anything in this driveway, it becomes a dynamo pit.
Oh, you're not standing anymore.
Is there a car wash nearby?
Not one that'll fit. Was that a gang sign?
Oh, God.
What just happened?
Fly, man.
That's what you get for gangbanging, dude.
You choose the driveway. That's why I knew what you were saying.
Fly life chose me.
GoPro action shot, bro.
Oh, flashlight?
No. Like where you run a wiring harness through it.
Oh, like a grommet?
Yeah, we'll put a rubber grommet on it.
I am.
Talk about glory hole.
So this will probably be.
Freezie Fresh fully endorses glory holes and yeah. We're gonna keep that.
Who knows?
Human trafficking.
We don't care where you stick it.
Chinese massage on Calle di Cielo fully endorses Freezie Fresh.
Yeah.
Keep that Asians healthy.
That Asians. It's also gluten free.
It is. All hand jobs gluten free.
Yeah.
No, you need to get like Full Metal Jacket, like kind of girl. Just, like, is that really still on Netflix?
I don't know, dude. They might have taken it down after it triggered like 400 11-year-old boys to have their first boners. No offense to Full Metal Jacket, we love you.
Black Mamba, too big, no!
Too buku!
Red boa just sitting there ready.
They're stealthy, dude.
Get a hand job, you don't even know it.
Yeah. You heard it here first, folks. Owen Gray
Let's get
solicited a
sponsor.
prostitute.
Hand job place on Calle di Cielo, sponsor TunerPunk, and we'll put your thing on our thing.
Yeah. Just
Right?
like it'd say massage envy on the side of it or whatever. Like,
I think it just says Asian massage.
if you guys have stickers, hook it up with some
Yeah,
stickers.
we'll definitely be sponsored by a place where old dudes get hand jobs.
Dude, you know what we should do is try to get a hold of one of the like panty vending machine guys in Japan.
There's like one. It was one that did that.
Yeah, well, we should try to find that guy and get him to sponsor us.
I'm glad that I realized that the edge was so close.
Yeah,
It was sad to watch me fall off.
yeah. That is a very different edge than the beginning, but it's okay.
What?
Nothing.
It changed.
Yeah, a little. It's fine.
You want to do this?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Right there be white, or is that corner going to be blue?
Yeah, what do you want to...
Executive decision.
Go for it. What are you making?
No, you have to
I
make
thought you
one.
were calling that you're gonna make it.
Are you gonna do this corner?
I think that should be white.
That should be white, yeah.
Especially if the door's gonna be blue. That'd be dope.
Oh yeah. Professional as fuck. Oh, I was like, why are they supposed to cigarettes?
Oh.
Lost my vape.
You know what that means? Your finger not even inside.
That's small hands.
I don't have small hands.
With a small brush.
I got huge man hands. Hey, Owen. What are you doing?
Painting.
Alright. Got that bottom half, good coat on it. You didn't mask the top, you should probably do that. Owen. Dang, this side looks pretty alright.
I'd say. Just gotta get the top.
Yeah.
Come on, cool off.
Yeah, we'll do one more good coat on this. Progress.
Well,
It's the real world of New Mexico.
this is Freezie Fresh checking in. Just got both sides painted. We're avoiding the rainstorm in Santa Fe. We are currently in El Dorado at Owen's house. This is the TunerPunk headquarters.
HQ. Shit
We
looks.
abbreviate things and make it be said faster.
Yeah. We
I
also
have to explain why it's abbreviated.
like Scientologists.
Really?
Yeah, that's like a psychological thing. If you belong to a group of people and you know the abbreviations and outsiders don't, it makes you feel more of a part of the whole. They stole it from the military. Fun fact, Scientologists, go fuck yourselves. Just kidding, I don't care what you. Alright, well, I never really did like a interior tour. Let's go have a look at the insides. So soon, this won't look like shit, but soon this will be this kid's fucking little empire right here. He's gonna kill it. And all of our 12 or 13 subscribers better go get some ice cream. We have 10. Thank you to all 10 of you. 10 subscribers. So yeah, discount code.
TunerPunk.
Yeah, say TunerPunk at the window and get 10% off. Maybe. What?
1% off?
10%.
Oh.
That's 1/10. Alright guys, last update of the day. The shit is painted. We haven't peeled the tape off for this side yet, but that's okay. But yeah, there you go. That's the Freezie Fresh truck. Fucking sanded and painted. One big step closer to being done. So next time it's wood and interior stuff and just small bodywork shit. But boom, fucking nailed it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Instagram, TunerPunk, Facebook, TunerPunk, TunerPunk.com, TunerPunk.
Park.edu.
Look at Owen's tiny body.